My name is Lance Hidy. I'm a professor of graphic design and photography at North Essex Community College. I started using universal design in my courses about 5 or 6 years ago. I received an email from the Learning Accommodations Office alerting me that one of the students that I would have needed to have a larger type size for any course handouts that I would be preparing. So I took this as a sign that here was an opportunity to not only help this one student, but maybe to help the rest of the class. I increased the type size. I also started putting in screen captures, since this involved using software, screen captures of the interface for the software. What had been a one-page handout in small type ended up becoming a 4-page handout, not only with bigger type, but also lots of illustrations. And to my amazement, the students finished in 2 weeks what I normally had expected them to do in 3 weeks. So this was my aha moment when I realized that the way I presented the course materials could make a profound difference in the success that the students had with the assignment. Student engagement, their excitement about their projects, the quality of the work, the effectiveness of the feedback they give each other and their critiques, everything has been improved as a result of my giving them lots of visual materials to work from. Some 70% of our students are predominantly visual learners. They learn better when there is some kind of non-verbal material in the presentation, pictures, graphs, charts, whatever it might be. When I talk to other colleagues outside of the art and design department about universal design, their first thought is, well, this is great for you because you're teaching graphic design and you know how to do all of these things. Well, in fact, it's becoming more common on our campus for some of the more adventuresome faculty in history and literature and in the health sciences to start using images more in their course materials. The challenge now is for faculty who are not so familiar working with images and type to start to push their skills into new areas and try and gain some new fluencies to do this.
What's different in this class is that on a lot of our assignment sheets there's examples and images that allow us to know what we're supposed to be doing. That's better because I'm a visual learner, and in graphic design it's important to know what we're supposed to be doing.
Before these classes we did graphic design, but most of it was like literature, and it wasn't really easy to understand graphic design because incorporated images with design makes your understanding of graphic design much easier.
I like to learn things visually. When somebody hands me something and shows me what to do and shows me what they did, it makes it easier for me to understand what I'm supposed to do.
I now routinely try to bring universal design into my coursework, and because I'm a graphic design teacher, it's also changing the way I think about graphic design and how I want my students to think about it, to make anything they design be more accessible to their potential audience.